All right, Abraham, where are we at?
So, we're thinking about putting...
Where are we at? We're opening the video, dude. You have to address
right now, we're in development division.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today, we're kind of just chilling in the garage. We also had to do an oil change on the Jeep, so might get into that. And I want to get into painting the walls finally. Anyways, we have a couple of garage mods that you guys haven't seen yet. First of all, Abraham, you haven't seen this either.
Oh.
We have a shop vac.
Yes, we need this.
Bro, it does a good job.
It's good. These are one of the really good ones too.
Yeah, it works. It works. Dude, the Harbor Freight, bang! Black Friday, I bought that. Not bad. Got this key box here, and we're gonna be up on the wall. You guys will see that when we redo that wall. So this is the oil I'm gonna put into the Jeep. It's super tech. Don't roast me because I use Walmart oil. I just, I would like an LS sometime soon. So we're just gonna put in. This should be. I think all the oils are the same, bro. It's approved. So they can't sell you like that bad of stuff, right? You know, like they have to. Like it has to meet some standards.
Yeah, that's at least work, you know.
Yeah, I think that'll be okay.
You good? Oh my god, look at that color.
Oh my god, there's no fucking way this is real. Gotta get out, dude.
You got to?
You gotta get out. Alright, you got to be kidding me. That is very, very nice. Damn, son. Yeah, that is absolutely amazing. What the hell, bro? Well, okay. Keep going. Alright, that's to be fine. Straighten out the wheel. Cool.
Alright guys, so I pretty much worked on the interior. I got most of the panels out. I got pretty much, I'm gonna say around like 70-85% of the things out of here. Got most of those panels out. Got the seat belt out. And we're just getting all the small stuff. The center console, got that out. The seats. Probably gonna have to get these out too. But that's what I've been working on.
I'm working on the wall. I actually just finished here, and the paint seems to be dry. Yeah, it's dry enough, and we're gonna start throwing on a bunch of posters and calendar and a whiteboard. I don't know if the whiteboard's here yet. Pretty sure I left it at my house, but we're gonna start decorating the wall. But since we're hungry, we went to Target, got some, what are they called, brats?
Yeah, looks good. I don't know how you pronounce that. Adels, Adels. Yeah, whoever knows how that's pronounced, let us know.
Dog. Yeah, let us know in the comment section below.
Okay.
Alright, bro, show the intro.
Oh, shit.
Alright, guys, in today's episode, we're doing what, Abraham?
We're trying to fix up this engine real quick.
Well, we're just taking it apart.
Oh, shit.
We're taking the engine apart today. And it all starts with taking off this transmission. So that's what we're starting on right now.
And also learning along the way.
Oh no, dude.
What happened?
This is toast too!
No way.
Everything here is toast.
Oh, dude.
Toasted, bro.
Freaking broken.
There you go.
Got it, dude.
Yeah. Set that
Someone
right
hit
there.
you on your phone.
And then, can you come around?
You got it?
Yeah. Whoa. Alright. Enough.
There's your transmission, y'all.
Whew.
There you go.
Alright, this is the transmission. This is solid. These are solid shift bushings. I put these on not too long ago. Yeah, there's really not much to see except for this big, super big crack, and the shifting is quite messy. Don't mind the axle end there. The axles are getting replaced as well, so I just didn't want to wrestle with it anymore, so I decided just to pull it apart. It's time to get this thing on engine stands, but we have to take off the clutch. So there's bolts right here on the flywheel, all the way around. There's 3 of them, I believe. So we're gonna pull that off and then get this thing on the engine stand.
Yes!
Alright guys, so we got the engine out. As you can see, everything is disconnected pretty much. But now we have our full engine assembly without the transmission up on the engine stand. So now we can start pulling off the intake, all the accessories and all that, and strip it down to a head and a block. We're gonna get the, and then I guess we're gonna see how well the engine is after 130 something thousand miles. But yeah, that's so this is our stopping point for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anything, any words, Abraham? Do you want to talk a little bit?
I don't know. I mean, just from experience, honestly, it's been really cool just taking this apart and stuff. I really enjoyed it. I want to see what else I can do though. So.
All right. Yeah. So what are the people on this? What are the people watching?
You guys better like this video and subscribe to this guy right here. He's going to be uploading a lot of good content.
Subscribe. We're going to have the content for the 420A. It's going to get turboed and built, and the Eclipse. Miss Tanya over there, and you'll see plenty of Abraham. Well, I mean, Abraham is actually going.
I'll be here for a little bit, but yeah, I have to go back home for Christmas break. So,
damn, bro, he's ditching on y'all. So, anyways, see you guys later. Peace out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Abraham actually might not see you guys.